Hi students, there is Information Technology and the Energetic High School, Department of Information and the Communication Technologies. Okay, let's start our laboratory work. Development of database structure, creation of tables and the requests. The purpose of the subject, the aims of the class are to give an idea database management system like Microsoft Access and to provide the introduction to table, queries, forms and reports. The definition and structure of database Microsoft Office Access features number of improvements that may propose the creating new database either. Okay. To use a template create database, now I want to show it on the practice how to work it. Let's do it together. We have to find all programs, and after that Microsoft Office programs, and you have to find the Microsoft Access. See? Okay. And our Microsoft Access the page is opened. Now let's try to create our first Access page. It's create. There is tables. So for these tables, you can write. You can write the words. For example, I want to write the student. For example, student. For the second is name, and the first third is surname. Here is, for example, like student Bajanova. Here is name Madina, and here is, for example, surname, like this. Okay, now I want to show how to put buttons and the pictures. Okay, we have to first save our table, and after that go to the one. Okay, we have to put a constructor. Okay, we have to press this button. Okay, see, it's the first tables coming out. It's how to get the database and how to create this, like using the tables. And then also we need also one form. I want to show you how to create it. First, like a master form, but we don't have any of these programs for this. So I want to create, first of all, a table. Again, it's table 2. Also, I want to say, for example, subject, then name of book, name of books, like this. The 2 is, I think it's enough. And let's create a form. For example, here, and you have to find the next and end. See, our form is coming out, and when you want to add some buttons and pictures, so I don't know, even other things, you have to go to constructor and put here all you need. For example, here I want to put the button. Like this, and I want to also put a picture picture from here. Let me see it. There is any of picture from here. For example, I want to choose this panda, koala. I'm so sorry. So you have to select your format for doing this, and after that you have to save, and that just go and you can see the picture like this, and also there is we already write subject like this, and here is how to get our access things like so I already showed how to use database, how to create it by access program, and I already said how to start it, how to click it, how to put browser button, how to create it, how to get database with links. And here is opening navigation plan, and you might use to display the objects by type like this. And I want to say about the table. Table is a database object that used to store data about a practical subject such as employees or products. A table consists of records and files. Each record contains the date about one instance of the table subject, such as a practical employee. A record is also commonly called a row or instance. Record filed value. I already showed how to do it by student and name and subject and the name of books. And there is also shows automatic data type detection works in the datasheet view. About the case, primary case, a table can have only one primary key. A primary key consists of one more files that uniquely identify each record that you store the table. Customers table, where each customer has a unique customer ID number, that contains more than one file. It is usually composed of pre-existing files that taken together provide unique values. For example, you might use a combination of a last name, first name, and the birth of date, the primary key for a table about a people. We already showed how to do it. Also, here is exercise 1 for you, that creating new database and save it student database by name it. Okay, you have to create your own database by showing the exercise 1, and after a while you have to do your exercise 2. Make an ID number file and the primary key, how to use primary key. And exercise 3 is also complete the 5 records, sort the table in order by surname, move the date of birth, telephone number, files like this, delete the last record you have entered like this. And also here is a control questions. There is also control questions. You have to write. You have to answer the question and give to your teacher for checking it. Now let's look at the test. See, there is a test, sum of tests, and you have to choose the right answer and push the button answer. If you want to come back, you can also come back, and you want to go to next, you also can do it. Okay, there is 20 of tests, so you have to answer the whole questions. Okay guys, this is end of our laboratory work. I hope you understand it, you will get good information. Okay, thank you, goodbye. Thank you for your attention.